Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your favorite team in FC25. To change your favorite team, click on Settings in top left corner, then click on Profile, and now you can click on Profile Manager, and here when you click on Favorite Team, you can choose your favorite team. First, choose the country. When you choose the country, click on Enter, and then choose a league of the club, and then you can choose the club. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.